Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to understand what Selenium is and what are its different categories or parts. Okay, and let's see. So, what is Selenium? Selenium is a browser automation solution or technology or tool which is available for free and as an open source technology. So, what does it mean? So, let's say you have a web application called abc.com. You want to automate your web application. So, you can do it using the help of Selenium. Okay, it is available for free. You don't have to pay any money for this, and as an open source. Like, what does it mean? Open source means the source code of Selenium is available, okay, to everybody. Okay, that means you can use the source code of Selenium and you can enhance if you feel so, and you can contribute to the open source community as well for Selenium. Okay, it has been supported or backed up by multiple browsers and multiple languages like Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, etc. And browsers like Chrome, Firefox, IE, etc. Okay, it supports your local and remote both execution. Like you can run your automation for your application in local as well as in remote. Okay, with multiple platforms. Multiple platform means you can run your application automation actually in Mac, Windows, Unix, in any of the browsers parallelly or in a single sequential execution. Okay, so now what are the categories of Selenium which are available? So one is Selenium ID, second one is Selenium RC, third one is Selenium WebDriver, fourth is Selenium Grid. So let us try to know what is each one of them. So first is Selenium ID, right? So Selenium ID is nothing but a record and playback tool. Basically, it records whatever actions you're performing on your web application, okay, and play the same thing back. Suppose you're manually typing google.com, okay, so it can record the google.com, opening a browser on google.com, and it will be able to play the same thing again and again. But the limitation is there are multiple limitations, but the main limitation is it one of the main limitation is like it is available as an add-on for Firefox. You cannot use any other browser for this. Okay, and the same thing you have to run again and again. So that's a weird thing, right? So next come as Selenium RC, that is Selenium Remote Control. Right? Selenium Remote Control allows you to write automated UI test in multiple programming languages like Java, .NET and all. Okay, and it has two parts. One is server, one is client library. Server where your browser gets opened up and and perform the automation or execute a test. And the client libraries means the library what you are using basically to write your script. Java libraries or .NET libraries for Selenium or Python libraries, whatever. The same thing. So basically you write your code using client libraries and execute on the server using different browsers. Right? That's a single liner about Selenium RC. Okay, and now what is Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is an API which is a next generation Selenium. Actually, basically, it's capable of doing anything, mostly anything and everything. Okay, whatever your application is capable of doing or browser is capable of doing, right? So you can automate pretty much all the stuffs whatever your browser or supported or application is supporting, right? And it has very much rich features. So we'll know once we land into that. So let's move on. So now what is Selenium Grid? Selenium Grid is a solution where you need to run your automation in a distributed system. Let's say you need to run your same script in Mac, in Unix, in Windows using different browsers, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and in the same time, basically parallelly, right? So grid is solution for the same. So runs, it allows you, or it provides you the features to run your automation, irrespective of platform, irrespective of browser, irrespective of environment. Okay, parallelly. That's what it is about.